GPS has advanced into a vital technology, powering everything from your phone to self-driving cars and advanced mapping drones. But how does it actually work? Technically, GPS is just one part of GNSS, the Global Navigation Satellite System, a collection of satellite constellations providing global and regional coverage. GPS identifies your location using trilateration. By measuring the distance to at least 4 satellites, your receiver calculates an exact 3D position. Timing is everything. Satellites carry atomic clocks so precise that even a tiny error could result in hundreds of meters of inaccuracy. The system operates across 3 segments: the satellites in space, ground stations for control, and your GPS devices, the user segment. For GIS professionals, this technology is the backbone of precise data collection, mapping, and geographical analysis. To achieve centimeter-level accuracy for surveying or drone mapping, we use correction technologies like RTK and precise point positioning. The future of GPS, combined with AI and LiDAR, is enabling digital twins, automated navigation, and upgraded infrastructure worldwide. At GOWGS 84, we're advancing geospatial intelligence. For more information on our Geo AI solutions, contact us today. Let's map the future together.